Today we have a showdown and we have a live audience helping us to choose what mic is better. Is my all-time reigning champion, the MAONO PD100X. Ariel, stop that. Will the MAONO PD100X, my long reigning champion, continue to win? Or will it be replaced by the new, more budget-friendly, cheaper microphone, also from MAONO? Just so that you know, MAONO, I don't know how to say it. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I always call it MAONO. So here's the live unboxing. I actually tried to put it back in the box, but I couldn't do it. So there we go. What do we have in the box? We have a little adapter thingy. Wonderful. And we have this, and it comes with a little like weight stand. Whenever I put these things on the table, like I put it over here, like that. Now I'm like, I have to come to the table to do this, and if you're at your laptop or whatever, it's not that comfortable. This is the greatest tool in the world also. I'm just gonna show you something really quickly. We're gonna go to any of my channels. You're gonna see this on my personal channel. You go here to the links. Right here in the links, there's an Amazon International or Canada. And then when you go to that link, it'll take you here and you can see all these products that are my favorite products.
It needs replanting. It's got no soil.
Here we go. See favorite microphones. We got the MAONO. I'm just going to take the link for this. I'm going to put it in the description. So if you want one, it's great. You can clamp it. You can use it to stick your cell phone. I have two of them. I have one over there so that I can like set up my cell phone while it can watch me build drones and stuff. But it works really great with the mic, and it like cuts out all the sound of touching, and like you see it, like it takes all the vibrations. It's not on something hard. So there's no sound from like the table and whatever. Those will be inside the description. Now let's go and test them live. We're going to the computer. Here we are on the computer with a live audience testing out these mics. To me, what matters the most is, can we just plug this in, use it, and what does it sound like compared to this one? This used to be, I believe this mic used to be around $200. So now it being like $80, $90 is pretty damn good. And this one is like $20 cheaper. On top of that, we got a coupon code for you. You use my coupon code, you save 10%. And affiliate links, right? Helps me out a bit, cost you no more. In fact, you save 10%. So use my affiliate code and smash the like button. If this video gets 10,000 views, I'm going to give it away. And you
still have to pay for shipping.
You'll have to pay for shipping. But I will give this away. And all you have to do to participate in that is comment. And as soon as the video gets 10,000 views, I will make another video. And the first person to comment on it will win it. And they'll just have to pay for shipping. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see if we even want it. MAONO also has some wonderful software. So you can download this software and you can mess around with the sounds and you can fine tune it. You make it sound even better. Neither of these mics come with they have an XLR connector, but they don't come with the cord. So if you plug it in by the cord, it sounds even better. I've been using USB. Eventually I'll get an XLR cord. I just haven't.
Where's my other glove?
Wherever you put it.
You took it from me when we were walking to the meeting and you put it
No,
in your jacket.
okay, then it's in my jacket pocket. So forget the software. If you want the software, you can put it on, but it's just, to me, a lot of messing around I don't want to do. I got really bad ADD, so either it works well and I like it, or it doesn't, and I'll use this because it does. Okay? Boom. So when we look at the store, this one is $80, and you can use my coupon on this too. Like if you like this more, you can check out the whole website. But honestly, some of these products with MAONO, I've used certain devices that I honestly haven't liked, and I love this mic. So
Why do you have straps
the thing with exploring different microphones and stuff and just getting something that hasn't been tested, you might not like it. And it might not work well. This is why we do this, so you can actually hear, see sound, and decide what is good wherever it is. Go find all my pockets. Go into dress jacket. Go into dress jacket and check the pocket. Check the pocket. Go check it. Check both pockets.
You took it from me, ripped it off my hand, told me that I should hold your hand. Don't do that!
Well, then you look for it. I told you it was in the pocket. Let's test out these mics. We're using this mic now. It has, I'm just going to show you the features of both, right? So this is my favorite mic. You can tap the button underneath and it changes the color. So you can choose your favorite color and use that. And I like the RGB. It's just different colors. Plus when people see it streaming and whatever, like the colors are exciting and it makes you happy. You tap this. It's muted, so no one can hear what you're saying. So let's say you get in an argument with your wife or something, you can just go, I hate you. Okay. And then you can come back. Hey, everyone. How's it going? Wonderful. If you tap this little thing, it does like a noise canceling, like built-in noise canceling. I don't like the way that this sounds. I prefer it just normal. But also the way that this mic works is it's a type of mic where the sound, it focuses right here and it avoids the sound from the outside. So like when I'm talking over here, it doesn't sound the same. When I'm talking over here, it sounds better. But if I get really up close and personal, I find that this sounds the nicest. Like if I literally have my lips against the mic, it sounds really nice. Let's disconnect it and plug this one in and see what happens. I also have one filter on it. It's called Expander. Let's just hear what it sounds like without that. So let's just go into filters. We'll take out the filters. I like the expander. I find just adding the expander sounds nice. Can you hear the difference in sound since I took the expander off? I don't know. It might be so subtle that you don't notice the difference. I'm going to go and I'm going to put the expander back on. Okay. And now you can hear what it sounds like with the expander. But I'm going to shut it off again. Okay, no expander. Expander. Can you hear the difference? I don't know. In my former testing, like I went through where I tested everything to see what I liked and didn't. And that's what I found I liked on this. Now we're going to just do the same kind of thing with this. We're just going to disconnect it, plug this one in, and see if the sound quality has a huge drop or if it's better. Okay, now can we hear it? Yeah, now we can hear it. This makes it all the way. Okay, I'll just turn it one way. When I push this thing, yeah, it does the same thing as the other. So this is normal. This is how it sounds normally. How does that sound? Is that good? How does it sound compared to the last mic I had in? Do you notice a big difference? Does it sound better? Worse? The same? Now I'm going to put that mode on, the noise canceling thing. How does that sound? Does it sound better with the noise canceling thing or when we put it back to normal? Do you notice a difference or does it sound the same as the other one? Or like can you hear the sound in lower quality? I've also noticed from some of the other reviews that the USB thing, it's like there's a bit more noise in the background, like there's a little bit more sound or whatever. What do you think? Now I'm going to put my favorite filter on it and we're just going to see if that makes a difference. Okay, now we got the expander on it. So this is kind of like how I like it to sound. When I go far away from it or I talk like this, does it still gather the voice well? Or if I go like over here, does it do the same thing? Not as strong, much stronger now. And then when we go really nice and close to it, it sounds like it's going too loud. So I'll lower that. Okay, so the sound, and I have the appropriate volume. Yeah, I feel like this one, when I go close, it's more sensitive. This seems like it's actually a more sensitive mic, which could be good because this one can be a little bit annoying that it doesn't sound as good when you're not super close. Like this one sounds the best when I'm up close and personal with it. And then this one, I don't know. Let's switch back to my favorite mic. Chaser, what are your thoughts?
Better far away, but the first one is better as far as background noise.
I think that this one automatically is a little bit louder, and loud doesn't always mean like better quality. I think the quality of this one is better, but I almost wish it was a little bit louder. Like I wish it was a bit more sensitive. I can always turn up the volume in the edit. I like the way this mic sounds. And I really like it when I get up close. See, like it doesn't peak the way the other one probably did. So when I'm working, I have it set up like floating in my face where I can like do stuff, edit and whatever. And I really like the way this sounds. Now I'm going to listen to this whole thing. I come back. We're going to share the thoughts. So after hearing it all, honest thoughts, this one's still my favorite. But the sound out of this is pretty darn good. Like, it sounds pretty good. It's just when you get close, it kind of peaks a bit more. The other thing is that I feel like every mic's different, right? This has a little bit more gain, I think, built into it. It's a little bit more sensitive. The quality is just slightly not as good, but it's still pretty good. If I was buying these, this one's $60, this one's $80. I would rather spend the extra 20 bucks and just have really nice quality. With mics, you know, for around 50 bucks, you can get yourself kind of a decent mic. Then you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, you can get something super nice, but it's like the quality, is it worth that much? Like, that's up to you. It depends how picky you are. If you just want to get a cheap budget thing, this is pretty darn good. Link in the description to the website and the coupon code. It's my name. You use that, you save 10% off. To participate in the giveaway, all you got to do is make sure that you're here when this video makes 10,000 views. I'll post another video. The first one of you to comment on it will win this mic. Make sure that you're the first. You might want to have your notifications on. If you want to hear a little bit more of this mic compared to another mic, I did like another battle. You can go watch that video. It's right here. Enjoy. Smoochy smoochy.